Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're older but a goodie, welcome back. So welcome to another weekly vlog. I'm up, I'm dressed and everything. I'm heading to Maryland today. So I told y'all in the last vlog that Renee was here, so she's leaving today. So me and my mom are about to go drop her off. So today is baby's first little road trip. It's not really, we just literally driving there and driving right back, so it's not really much, but I did want to come and open up the vlog. The first thing that I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna get some coffee on my way, because I'm pretty sure my mom gonna have me driving and I need some coffee. I need some caffeine in my system. So let's head out. My lace, I feel like you can see my lace right here. When I have makeup on, it blends perfectly. When I have bare skin, you can see it. Anyway, time to hit the streets. I forgot to tell y'all, as usual, if you watch my channel, you should know whenever I go on a road trip, I always stop at Starbucks. I went to go get me a white mocha, but they didn't have it, so I got the green tea latte. If you haven't tried this, get it, because on TikTok they keep on saying the girls who get it, and now I'm one of the girls who get it because it is good. So try it out. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all tried it, let me know in the comment down below. And then if you're gonna try it, go try it and come back on this video and comment, because I honestly, this is like an 8.5 to a 9 out of 10. It's good. Different kind of opening today's vlog. Today is Easter Sunday, right? So today's Easter, and we're outside. I'm excited because it's my first time being out in a long time. So we here with Andy, our driver. Sweet. She's in the back. So we heading to Jersey. We're going to a party. What party? Tropics. We're going to a party named Tropics. Apparently hot, you know. I'm telling you if you flop because of my pipe top. So apparently it's gonna be and it's kind of a day party. It started at 4, right now it's 6 o'clock. We're on our way. It's a drive. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to come and open up the vlog. I'll show y'all what I got on when I get there, because we're kind of running late, so I didn't get to do like all of that and show y'all. But anyway, let's hit the road.
Murder people edition. Kakam fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, he got fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up with your boy. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place getting lies up. You never know, see a little juvenile coulda run in your yard and take a 3 pints. I believe on the lane in the street and the main in the bucky man of Jesus. You never know, see a little juvenile coulda run in your yard and take a 3 pints. I believe on the lane.
Hey y'all, good morning. So it's a couple days after the party. It's about 2 days after the party. It was so much fun. That was my first time being out in a minute to like a Jamaican party in a long time, probably before the pandemic. And had so much fun. Like, it was really fun. The only thing is, it was far, because after the party we still had to drive back to Philly. It was about like an 1.5-hour drive, but it was a lot, and I was a designated driver because, you know, I wasn't doing the drinking and all of that. So anyway, today is Tuesday. The party was on Sunday, so today is Tuesday. It's 1:37 right now, y'all. Kai did not go to sleep until probably to 7 this morning. I don't know what it was. So yeah, it's 1:37. I just got up got fresh and everything. I'm about to go to Family Dollar and Dollar Tree. Family Dollar, I need a tote. I'm gonna pack out all my work clothes out of my closet. My closet is very tiny, and like I need more space, especially now that I am trying to buy different pieces for the new season, for the spring and the summer. I don't have space, and you know, winter stuff is like bulky and all that, so I'm trying to clear out space out of my closet. So I'm about to go buy some tote to pack away my work clothes specifically today, and then I already have a tote with like stuff to pack away my winter stuff. But I do want to pack my work clothes specifically in one bin, so when I'm pulling for that bin in the fall, it's just a matter of pulling it and know exactly where like my work stuff is. So yeah, that's the agenda. But before I do that, y'all know your girl need coffee, so I'm going to Starbucks. It's clothes all over my floor just because last night I started it, and then y'all know I have to stop because the baby will wake up or like my back would start hurting, so I would like pause here and there. So I'm gonna finish up that today. And today's trash day. I wanted to make the trash truck to like throw stuff out, hence why I started yesterday, but I didn't make trash trucks, so I would just toss them out next week. Usually I'll like donate clothes and all of that, but y'all, I don't think these are donatable, and so I'm gonna just toss them. And yeah, alright guys, got my Starbucks. I decided to go with the matcha drink. So yeah, the girls that said Starbucks today, those are the OGs. They make the best ones, so I decided to go get this because I knew this was gonna be good. They be having some newbies and they be a little you know, they on trial, and I low-key be want to say I don't want you to make my drink, but I don't want to be mean because they have to learn, you know, but then it costs me a drink. So anyway, the OGs made this, so I know it's good. I already tasted it. So yeah, so right now I'm about to head to Family Dollar. Hopefully they got what I want. And yeah, I don't know if y'all are interested in like podcasts and stuff like that. Like sometimes when lately I have not been really listening to music, so I'm not like in tune with like a lot of new songs and stuff like that. The other night I proved it, to be honest. I knew all the old songs, but like the new songs, I don't know them. So I need to, like, you know, especially because I want to be outside this summer, I need to learn some of the songs. Anyway, American and Jamaican, like the battle of two cultures. So that's a lot of, but anyway, lately I've been listening to a lot of podcasts. I stumbled up on B. Simone's podcast that she has with, I forgot what her friend's name. I know it begins with a M, and I love her. I was like, oh, she's so cute. I love the way she articulates herself. But it's called Know For Sure. I don't know if it's on, like, I watch it on YouTube, so it might be on Spotify and Apple Music. I mean, not Apple Music, on podcasts and stuff like that, but I personally watch it on YouTube and I love it. Like, it's only been 3 episodes. Probably by the time y'all see this, it might be 4 episodes so far. I think a new one is coming out tomorrow, so probably by the time y'all see this, it's probably gonna be 4 episodes. But anyway, I love it. They just keep it real on there and everything like that, so go check it out if you're into like podcasts. Another one that I've been listening to is Good Moms. What is it? Good Moms, Bad Choices. I listened to that on the Apple Podcast app. That's good too. They've been on air for a couple years now, so it's a lot of episodes. Usually when I find a podcast, I'll go back to like the first episode and listen, but it's too far back to go back, and I feel like I started listening to the first episode, and like you could tell from the last episode that I listened to and the first one, it's a whole lot of transitions. It's been a lot of growth, so I've just been listening to like the recent ones, and then sometimes I'll go back and listen to the older ones. But Good Mom, Bad Choices is basically what it is. There's 2 moms, and you know, they are very transparent. They smoke, they do everything, you know, and just talk about motherhood. I feel like sometimes, and now I'm a mother, so like now I can really, I don't know why, as kids growing up, you think like, oh, your mom knows everything, like your mom was given like a pamphlet at the hospital and this is how you do it. And now that I'm being a mom, I'm like, oh shoot, we're really figuring shit out. So like I like the podcast. If you want to give it a listen, some old ones that I love that I don't know what's up with them, like I need them to come back with some new episodes, is Jesus and Jollof with Yvonne Orji and Lovey. I love that podcast, but they have not created a new episode. I don't know what's up. And then Black Girl Podcast, oh, love me some Black Girl Pod. But they announced a break, and they've been on break for a minute, but you could definitely go back and listen to Black Girl Pod. It's a bunch of episodes. It's probably over 100 episodes, I think. So you could definitely go back and watch it. I mean, listen to it for sure. But yeah, I am about to listen to Good Mom Bad Choices podcast, and you know, just vibe. And that's the kind of vibe that I'm in, so I'll just listen to it as I'm driving, and sometimes they'll post questions, stuff for you to think about and stuff like that. So yeah. So Family Dollar didn't have any, so I'm trying to think if I know where another Family Dollar is. I think I know, but I'm not sure. I think I heard something about it being closed, so I'm not sure. Let me ask Shop, because he's somewhere down that side where I think it is, and he wants me to pick him up anyway.
Yeah?
Is there a Family Dollar down in that plaza?
I plaza, I mean, alright, some of them would have go up and go look.
Look for me, please. I mean, I'm coming there regardless because I'm get you, but me need one tote, and I want up here so I have it.
Alright, me walk.
I'm up on my way that side.
Alright,
I got the tote. A little bit pricier. It's $6 more than I was anticipating, because woman paid $9 something and I just paid 15 something. So anyway, I need it, so I got it.